old are you?
How old?
Yeah.
Almost 100.
Ah, you're almost 100? Wow! Glad to hear that. So, makadaot na kag 100,000. Imo kung tagaan og, how much? How much will you willing to give? 5K or 10K? 5,000 or 10,000?
God.
What?
It depends upon God.
Ah, it depends upon on God.
Yes.
Of course, okay. So we'll ask God. We'll ask God how much He will give me. Okay. Kamao pa din mo English.